walking into a kitchen at 6 in the morning only to find a sink full of dishes and counters covered in yesterday's mail can make the day feel like it's already behind. That instant brain fog and the heavy feeling of being overwhelmed right at sunrise is something many households face. But there is a simple shift that changes everything. It's called the closing shift. It's not about deep cleaning or spending hours scrubbing floors late at night. It's a quick 15-minute reset that turns a chaotic morning into a calm one. The secret to the closing shift is the 15-minute rule. When the house finally gets quiet and the day is winding down, setting a simple timer for just 15 minutes makes the task feel manageable. This isn't the time for big projects or organizing the entire pantry. This is for the essentials. Load the dishwasher, wipe down the main kitchen counter, and clear those little clutter hotspots where shoes and bags tend to pile up. Knowing there is a clear end point makes it so much easier to start, even when energy is low. It's about doing just enough so that the house feels refreshed. Once the surfaces are clear, it's time to set up the morning launch pad. This part of the shift is all about looking ahead to make the next day smoother. It means setting out the coffee pods, putting the breakfast plates on the table, and making sure the school bags are sitting right by the door. These tiny, simple acts of kindness for the household save so much stress during the morning rush. Instead of searching for lost shoes or clean spoons while the clock is ticking, everything is already exactly where it needs to be. It turns a frantic morning into a steady, easy start for everyone. The final part of the closing shift isn't about the house, it's about clearing the mental load. It takes just 2 minutes to look at the calendar for tomorrow and write down the one must-do task for the day. Once that task is on paper, those mental tabs can finally be closed for the night. The closing shift ends with a moment of quiet, maybe lighting a candle or just sitting down for 5 minutes without a phone. The workday is officially over and the rest of the night is for real rest. This simple routine signals to the brain that it's time to let go of the day's stress. Since starting the closing shift, mornings can feel so much brighter and lighter. Instead of starting the day in a hole, there is a clean slate to work with. It's amazing how a small shift in the evening can make a massive difference in daily energy and mood. Give the closing shift a try tonight, even if it's only for 5 minutes at first. It feels incredible to wake up to a calm, ready home. Thanks for spending time here today, and let's make tomorrow the best it can be. See you in the next one.